going on, man? Y'all see y'all back with another vid. Hey, hype today, cause it's a big day. It is, let's see, 7:13, you feel me? And hey, it's the day, man. I'm going to pick up my Camaro. And I also got another member. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the channel yet, so I want y'all to put in the comments. Sure, I have a whole separate playlist. I want y'all to comment to let me know, should I have a whole separate playlist for this other car or other vehicle I'm about to be picking up. So hey man, let's get right into the vid. Let's go on and get on the road, you feel me? There we go, there we go. Off we go. Yep. Let's go, let's go. But yeah, I already said I had some on the way anyway, so you feel me? Hey, I ain't say, dang, lighting changed, but I ain't really say what it was, so we're gonna go on and speed this up too, you feel me? Woo, let's see. Alright, it's not too bad. Let's go. What's going on, man? Y'all see your boy finally here. Now I'm finna show y'all what I'm getting, man. I had like a whole little mishap. This is what happened. This done fell out. Now mind you, I didn't load it. So now it done pushed me back, and it's supposed to rain today. Which I ain't even know, but I'm still finna go strong, man. I'm still finna go grab my other car, but this is what I'm picking up along with my Camaro. If you know, you know. Yes, sir. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on, man. Ooh, that paint gonna be some work, boy. No cap. I don't even know what I'm painted yet. I've been looking up ideas, man. And I already know how I'm gonna do the wheels. I'm just still, you know, choosing on what color to paint. I'm in between two colors, but so far, bro, this is it. I already got my tow hitch on there. Well, the ball. You know, got me a little toolbox area. You feel me? Like, man, when I tell y'all, it's just that one. When I tell y'all, yes sir, yes sir. Now I couldn't really start it. Well, I can't start it. I don't want to bump start it. I do all that at the house, but only thing was wrong with it, man, I just need another starter cable. So this is her, man. This is her, him, whoever. It's a car, it's a truck. Yes, sir. So that's what your boy getting, but I'm happy. I'm kind of blowed because the thing done came out the tow thing, bro. Out the whatever you call it, bro. And it just like threw me all off. Like I ain't even record. Like I was so blowed, bro, because it's pushed me all the way back. I was supposed to be heading to get my Camaro, so you know, it ain't really no biggie, So man, whenever they fix this, I'ma load this thing up. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Drop her off, get on the road. It's gonna be raining. Load up my Camaro. I'm blowed. I ain't even gonna count, y'all. I'm blowed, but man, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and we gonna see what these folks talking about.
You can take a picture of it?
Oh no, it's a video right here.
Oh, what?
I finally got it up. Yes, sir. Yep, I got her on there. We finna hit this road. This rain about to catch us, man. Yes, sir. And she up, y'all. We got her. We got her, y'all. We got her. Now to pick up the second car. I'm almost there. Got like 20 minutes. Man, today has been long. I don't know what's going on, man. Hey, it look like I've been working, Well, I'm tired, I'm sleepy. Got some Circle K snacks. I don't even know what it tastes like, but I hope it's good. Woo. But today has been exhausted. Then after I get this, I got another hour and 30 to drive. So, hey, man. What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid is here. Yes, sir. Finally here. It's still raining. But gotta get this suspension on. Gonna help my guy real quick so we can hit this road. No! See? I'm gonna have to fight him. Scratched out the paint. I'ma cry. I know it's a bill, but damn, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna wash her up tomorrow. Gonna get everything popping. You know the forklift is smushing the door in the paint on the other side.
It should be barely grazing.
Oh, I hope not. Oh, so the sway bar is not on. Yep, this is she. This is she. Man, I can't believe she coming to the cribs. Damn, that was working. Guess not. Okay, that one's on. 30, she good. She all set. Oh, that bit don't even rotate. Oh shit. Check this one. Man, my boy whipping that thing. She going home, yes baby. When y'all see this, oh my God, I swear it will be worth the wait. Y'all, you good? When y'all see when I'm done with this, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I swear it will be worth the wait. Like, get a good look now. I already got the vision, I already got some wheels for the rear. So I'm going crazy, man. I promise you. It is raining. Y'all know I wanted my car. I'm going to get this loaded up, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all on that. Man, we done been here trying to, you know what I'm saying, get this thing loaded. She's loaded. You feel me? I ain't want to screw up my exhaust, so I got the strap on. Whoo, look at them duals. Now I'm finna go crazy, y'all. I'm probably gonna angle them, you know, towards this way. Yes, sir, man. Finna go on and hit this road, man. You know, safe travels. All praise to God, cause without him, this would not happen. Like, bro, y'all just don't know, man. This is crazy, bro. Like, I ain't even think I was gonna get it. Like, not this soon anyways, you feel me? So, I got to thank God for this. Just too excited, I'm smiling and everything. Hey, man, but y'all already know where it's going. Y'all already know what's going on with it, you feel me? 5-3 done. Well, 5-5, I got it board over. And, yeah, man, you know, till next time. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe. If you ain't like, you gotta like it. If you didn't, even if you already subscribed, you feel me? And you gotta comment, tell me what y'all think of the whip. You feel me? Yes, sir. Well, y'all see what it is. But, hey, man, yeah. So I'm gonna go on and end this video, man. I'm gonna be dropping the content back to back because as y'all see, she got a lot of cleaning to do. I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of sorting out to do. Interior, all of that. Oh, I forgot. I don't think I ever fixed that. But yeah, man, at least the T-top don't leak. But till next time, y'all tune in. You feel me? Finna end this thing cause I got a long drive ahead of me. Hey, I'm out. Current racing, we turn.